Ian Steller here. I am so sorry to interrupt. Thank you for waiting. Listen, if you're an entrepreneur, digital marketer, or online creator, and you're tired of waiting for good luck to grow your business, it's time to take control and promote your business continuously. And one of the most effective ways to do this is by growing your email list. By building an email list, you can reach your audience more effectively, share valuable content, and nurture leads to increase conversions. So, how do you do that? First, you need to generate more leads and turn it into subscribers. Next, learn to craft compelling emails by writing like a pro. Finally, don't forget to automate the process. Hey, imagine this for 2 seconds. It's Monday morning and you wake up to find new email subscribers waiting in your inbox. You smile knowing that your strategy brings in new subscribers every single week. Boom! Apologies for the interruption. Please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon and select all for notifications. This way you won't miss out on any of our exciting new content. Thank you. Now, if you're ready to boost your email, I just created a brand new free 6-part short and simple video lessons on how to grow your email list every day with proven strategies for building an engaged audience. And yes, I'm giving it to you for free, no catch, no obligations, no strings attached. Hey, please wait. Just for being patient with me, let me give you a bonus. An ebook, a guide to what to write in your emails so you can apply the video lessons. You'll get 45 plus fill-in-the-blank email templates, all completely free. So don't wait for success to come knocking on your door. Take action now. Go ahead and click the link where you're watching this video to grab your free access in my brand new training, and let's give your business a boost.